Good afternoon, guys. Okay, let's just get this 30 cards out. Got Michael at the top and bottom. Let's copy that. Michael up the top and bottom. Okay, let's go live. Got our list. Let's get the time. Time in Sydney. 1:38. Okay, let's go 3 times. No snake eyes. 1, 2, and 3. We've got 6 and 2. We're going 8 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. And that's 7. Gone 7 times. Dice show 8. Time is 1:39. The winner is spot 9. Jason and spot 9. And we've gone 8 times. And that's complete. Cheers, guys.